So, a question that I often get asked by people when selling their home is about the timeline. What should you expect? After working with many sellers here in Bell County, it's a question I get asked all the time. Hi, I'm Gloria Miller, Associate Broker with People First Realty Group at Real Broker. I often hear, well, we need to get the home ready for sale, but you need to be careful not to just slap the home on the MLS prior to having it show-ready condition. This will give you an idea of a few things that you need to think about prior to actually letting buyers into your home. So after we meet and you decide to list with us, we will give you a contract to sign. Once we have an executed contract, we will then schedule an appointment with our stager to come over and actually give you recommendations on what exactly you need to do to enhance the appearance of your home and actually get the maximum return on your investment. This is done through our organization appointment and then our staging service. Don't worry, there's no additional cost to you for this service, but it is essential because research shows the importance of decluttering and staging in relation to the amount of money that you will get on your home, as well as how quickly your home will sell. We do offer free partial staging of your home, and again, it costs you nothing. Once your home is in show-ready condition, then we will schedule a professional photographer and videographer to come to your home to capitalize on all the unique features of your home. Once we have the pictures and the videos, we will then work on all the back-end digital marketing so that we can expose your home to the masses. This is one of the most important parts of getting you the most amount of money on your home. We don't just put a sign and put it on the MLS. It is so much more detailed than that. We have a very strategic, comprehensive digital marketing strategy that we utilize and is like no other. This involves running highly targeted campaigns across multiple social media platforms. Please know, just by posting your home on a Facebook page or a business page, it only gets about 3% of people who are actually seeing it. So we properly expose your home across multiple social media platforms. During this time, we also talk about whether you should have any inspections done prior to going on the multiple listing service. We're also going over the disclosures with you, so we have all these available for buyers to actually look at so they are fully aware of the condition of the home prior to making an offer. Don't forget, we go into all the major sites like Zillow, Realtor.com, you name it, we're there. We've even enhanced these sites to get optimum performance. Now that we're live, you can actually expect agents to start calling you to take their clients through the home so that they can see it. The buyer's agent will always accompany them, so don't worry about that. Depending on the time of the year and the market conditions, that will determine how long it would take for your home to sell. I'm Gloria Miller, Associate Broker with People First Realty Group, where we put people over profit.